T6 profile engaged for the Y-12 blanks.
Confirmed. 400 degrees, stable.
Check Group A inventory against the manifest.
All spars accounted for. Confirmation on the T6 alloy finish.
Pulling it through now.
Okay, I'm feeding the slack from this side.
No foreign objects detected.
All clear. Proceeding with riveting.
Verify Section 4 alignment.
Confirmed. Data stream shows green across the board.
Hydraulic ports secured.
Checked. Electrical connectors.
All covered. Confirmed.
Ensure the alignment on the bulkhead is precise.
Verified. Tolerance is within limits.
Ready for the riveting sequence on the attachment points.
Align it with the forward rivet line. The gap should be 0 here.
Confirmed. Holding steady for the clamps.
The workflow confirms the conclusion of the primary product's manufacturing phase. The focus has entirely shifted to the integration of the Aviation. The scanner confirms exact placement against the digital model. The holographic projection.
The completed Harbin Y-12 fuselage exits Process B, moving smoothly toward the integration bay on the automated rail system.
Reading is stable. 250 Newton meters. Verified.
Coverage looks uniform on the lower sections.
Confirmed. The thickness is within tolerance.
Flotation gear points look secure. Verifying reinforcement area B.
Confirmed. No imperfections found.
All interfaces secured. Process B confirmed complete.
Signing off on the Panda fuselage. Ready for transport.
Final certification complete. Both Process A and B are concluded.
All tie-downs confirmed. Flotation gear points secured. Transport authorization granted.
Transporting the Harbin Y-12 requires meticulous planning. This massive fuselage, seen here at dawn, is en route to its final assembly point.
The Harbin Y-12 undergoes final preparation here at the lakeside hangar before the flotation pontoons are integrated.
Aligning interface now. Bring it down slowly.
Pins inserted. Engaging the high torque wrench. Confirmed secure.
Pressure holding steady at 5,000. Confirming water rudder response is nominal.
The Harbin Y-12 equipped with specialized flotation gear, begins the water taxi.
With the flotation gear secured, the Harbin Y-12 Panda showcases its versatility, offering the
Engineered for resilience, the flotation gear attachment points handle the challenging environment with ease.
All right, steady now. Watch the clearance.
Clear of the ramp.
Engage the clamps, begin transfer to the dock.
The Harbin Y-12 Panda. A successful journey from raw material to oil to our panelized